Pag nag-DIY ka, ang natipid mo is around 1,058 pesos and 79 cents per person. Ang laki, di ba?
Let me teach you Korean.
Hi mga besh! Today nga ay share namin kung paano kami nakarating sa Nami Island at Gangchon Rail Bike using ITX. Super dali lang kahit first time nyo mag-DIY. First step, of course, book your KTX tickets. Meron na kami separate video on how to book KTX, so don't forget to check it out. After namin mag-book ng KTX, nag-book na rin kami ng Nami Island at Gangchon Rail Bike via Klook para mas mura. So ayun na nga, October 5 na nagpunta kami sa Nami Island. Nasa Myeongdong kami that time kaya hinanap namin yung pinakamalapit na station na dinaraanan ni ITX. Dalawa yung options, Yongsan Station or Cheongnanyi Station. Mas malapit sa amin ang Cheongnanyi Station so yun ang kinuha namin. Kinuha namin yung 8:38 AM schedule. You can book early if you want na mas maaga. Yung ticket namin papunta was around 480 pesos. Pabalik, Yongsan naman ang kinuha namin which is 692 pesos. Optional lang yung Yongsan since gusto lang namin makita and matry yung Yongsan Station. Pero of course, mas madali at mas mura si Cheongnanyi Station. To get to Cheongnanyi Station, gamitin nyo lang ang Naver Map. Since malapit lang kami sa City Hall Station, sumakay kami ng Line 1 diretso Cheongnanyi, then transfer to Korail or ITX. Madali lang naman lumipat ng line, may signs everywhere so hindi kayo maliligaw. Since pupunta kami ng Nami Island, bababa kami sa Gapyeong Station. Pagdating sa Cheongnanyi ITX, choose Platform 4. Remember, bound for Chuncheon Station yung papuntang Gapyeong. Once nakasakay na, hanapin nyo lang yung reserve yung seats nung nag-book kayo. It took less than 40 minutes to go to Gapyeong via ITX. Pagdating namin sa Gapyeong Station, nag-taxi na lang kami. Pwede naman kayo mag-city tour bus pero may schedule yung dating ng bus. Since 10 AM pa ang dating ng bus and past 9 AM kami nandun, we took taxi na lang since nasa harap lang naman ng station and super convenient naman. 206.78 pesos or 4,900 won yung pamasahe. For 5 minutes, makakarating ka na ng Nami Island. Since past 9 AM na, ang schedule ng dating ng ferry is every 20 minutes. 5-minute ride lang ang ferry papuntang Nami Island and no need to pay naman since kasama na yung ferry sa nabook nyo sa Klook. And ayan na, enjoy na kayo sa Nami Island. Take your time kahit umabot ka pa ng hapon. Next stop is Gangchon Rail Park, located in Kimyeojong Station. To get to Kimyeojong Station, bumalik kami sa Gapyeong Station. If the time nyo yung city tour bus, every hour yung dating niya sa Nami. But since maulan that time and may toddler kami, nag-taxi na lang kami pabalik ng Gapyeong. 4,800 won or 202.56 pesos yung singil sa amin. From Gapyeong Station, sumakay kami ng Gyeongchun Line. 4 stops lang, nandun ka na sa Kimyeojong Station. Paglabas mo ng station, nasa right side agad yung Gangchon Rail Park. Super lapit. Pagpasok mo sa ARC, nasa right side yung ticket counter. Reminder, be there at least 30 minutes before your schedule. Kasi nagsisimula na sila magpasakay sa rail bike. Kami, dumating kami ng 3 PM, pero akala namin hindi pa boarding. Yun pala, yung pila was already for the next batch. Since hindi namin naintindihan yung Korean announcement, na-reschedule kami ng 4:30 PM. Honestly, besh, sobrang saya ng ride. Kahit umuulan at naka-raincoat kami, sulit na sulit ang experience. Almost 1 hour yung pagbabike hanggang dulo, kaya super sulit. After the rail bike, sasakay kayo ng romantic train papunta sa Old Gangchon Station. Kasama na to sa Klook booking. Pagbaba nyo after the romantic train, may free bus pabalik ng Kimyeojong. Susundan nyo lang yung crowd. Pero since mas malapit yung Gangchon Station pabalik ng Myeongdong, naglakad na lang kami after ng romantic train. Hindi na kami sumabay sa mga pabalik sa Kimyeojong. Mga 20 minutes yung lakad. If hindi nyo bet ang maglakad, pwede kayong sumabay sa crowd going sa free bus papuntang Kimyeojong tapos ITX na from there. Baba lang ulit kayo ng Cheongnanyi Station. And ayun nga mga besh, Nami Island plus Gangchon Rail Bike in one day, super worth it talaga and super fun especially with the family. Let's summarize naman yung gastos natin sa DIY. For transportation, first ITX to Cheongnanyi Station which is 480 pesos and 44 cents. Next, nag-taxi to Nami Island which is 206 pesos and 78 cents since 2 person siya, divided by 2, 113.39 pesos siya. Mas liliit yung gastos if 3 or 4 person kayo na maghahati-hati sa taxi. Taxi going back to Gapyeong is 202 pesos and 56 cents. If we divide it into 2, 101.28 pesos. Again, mas liliit if 3 or 4 person kayo. Gapyeong to Kimyojong Station is 65 pesos and 41 cents. ITX from Gangcheon Station to Yongsan Station is 692.26 pesos. Pero if Chongyanyi Station ang bababaan, 480 pesos, 44 pesos. Ang total transportation na nagastos is 1,240 pesos and 96 cents per person. Sa Klook activities naman, Nami Island is 778 pesos. Ang Gangcheon Rail Bike sa Klook is 2,293 pesos for 4 person na siya. So, i-divide natin by 4, 573.25 pesos. So, ang total sa Klook activities natin is 1,351 pesos and 25 cents. So, ang total na binayaran namin is 2,592 pesos and 21 cents. And yes, besh, sobrang mura na talaga, as in tipid na tipid. Pag chinek mo yung Klook, yung Nami Island plus Gangcheon Rail Bike Tour is around 3,651 pesos per person. Pero pag nag-DIY ka, ang natipid mo is around 1,058 pesos and 79 cents per person. Ang laki, di ba? For us, DIY was super worth it. Ang dali lang mag-DIY sa Korea since ang ganda ng transportation system nila. Mas may enjoy nyo pa yung trip kasi kayo yung mismo may control ng time nyo kung gaano kayo katagal sa place and syempre mas tipid ang overall budget. Sana nakatulong sa inyo yung mga tips and experience namin. Kung tipid budget travel ang peg nyo, try nyo to, worth it talaga. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button icon para updated kayo for more travel tips and guides. See you soon mga besh!